Yeah, got a wild beehive in the tree. Now
I'm
supposed to get this.
A wild hive.
Unfortunately, it's too high up, so I'm about to get a ladder. But
this would be a first time.
Here they are, right there.
Get them out of the
See that?
tree or whatever. Are they wanting to cut this tree down?
Well, no. I mean,
see that? There's the bees right there.
The other night, and it fell out in the road.
Yeah.
And man, they was bees every place.
You live right here?
Here they are.
No, I live in town. But
There's the bees right there. Yeah, the fragment of the colony is over here.
Yeah.
There's another fragment of the colony. Right here. See that? Here's the bees. Here they are, see? Still gotta work there. I won't be able to do this today, but I'm gonna see if I can't do it on the weekend. That'll be a lot easier for me. I'll have a ladder and everything. There they are.
I just like the bees, you know. I know.
He definitely wants them. It's just we don't have to. And then if he does, we did that on the weekend.